The skills and abilities section of a resume is probably the most important part of a resume for a high school student. As a high school student, you might not have had the opportunity to work in the field that you will be applying for. If that's the case, then the skills and abilities is where you're able to highlight what you are able to do that would be pertinent to the job that you are applying for. In this section, you can also include soft skills. Soft skills might look like interacting with customers or organizing workspaces. If you've worked at McDonald's, you interact with customers. This is something that's important for any job because in most jobs, you're going to have to interact with other people. If they see that you've done this successfully in a part-time job, then they know that it's going to be relevant to the job that you're working for. Soft skills are skills that everybody uses in every career. You can also include technical skills, especially if they're pertinent to the job that you're applying for. For instance, if I'm applying for a job in commercial arts or advertising design, it'd probably be useful to know how to edit photos. So I would highlight that in the technical skills section. Again, you might not have had a job where you've done this, but if you have the skills, that's what the employer is looking for. At this station, there is a list of functional skills as well as personal qualities for you to think about when writing your skills.